What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about XLM Stellar Lumens today. Not at the request of Ryan Lip, though he did mention it in a comment somewhere, but you didn't request it, did you? I'm just doing it because you mentioned it. It's been a long time, not a long time, but a little bit of time since we've talked about Stellar. So it's a good time to do an update. Nothing much has changed. If we look at the daily, it's a little bit more obvious how nothing has changed at all. What is going on with my nose, man? Something is itching in there. Let's see. We haven't really done a whole lot. We've gone up, we've gone down, we've gone up, we've gone down. We had a bullish engulfing candle here, met by a bearish engulfing candle, which was then met by a bullish engulfing candle, which was then met by 2 days that bearishly engulfed it, and here we are coming back up. We're still in this range. I don't expect that we will find a bottom here and then go up. I don't expect that upwards trajectories are going to happen. They could, anything's possible, but I very much would expect that we go lower. I think that we've been testing this area as support enough. We're proving that it's not support. We got these nice little bounces that just gave back. So I think the next area that we're going to go to is probably, the next area of support, which is down here at about 10.3 cents, maybe even down here to about 9.6 cents, 9.5 cents, something like that. If we take this overall fib, looking at it on the weekly basis, besides just the very bearish look that the daily's giving us, the golden zone, the white zone, the sweet spot, it's between about 10.4 cents and 9.6 cents, so that kind of lines up, right? Previous area of support, previous area of support, previous area of resistance, right? It would make sense, in my opinion, to go somewhere around. If I had to guess, I'd say closer to the 0.69 than the 618. But who knows? Lower, I think for sure is what's coming for this thing. And when will that happen? I don't know. It's happening now. It'll probably continue to happen. We are taking our time. I bet we are going to have a swift move down at the current trajectory. We could be moving sideways for another week or two. It's possible, but sooner than later, I'm sure we are going to go down to the downside. Any move up from here, I would say, is just like a last-ditch effort in being able to sell. Though it wouldn't be much, would it? I doubt that we'd get above these highs. I definitely do. Looking at this thing on the weekly again, the end of the year is all the way over here. I would be kind of surprised if we were above these highs even by the end of the year. Though it can happen, I would think that we're going to be above the current price by the end of the year, but not above this high here. That's my kind of expectation there. All in all, with Stellar Lumens, I think that it has great potential. It's a $3 billion market cap coin, and I think that this is one of the few multi-billion-dollar market cap coins right now that has a 100x potential. Is Stellar Lumens deserving of a $300 billion market cap? I don't know if any crypto other than Bitcoin is deserving of a multi-$100 billion market cap, but they seem to be getting them. And will Stellar Lumens be one of the few in this coming cycle? Maybe not one of the few in the coming cycle, but one of the few in all of crypto's history so far that does achieve a multi-$100 billion market cap. I think it can, and I think it has a decent chance to, and I think that it will. If it doesn't do a 100x, we could see still something miraculous like a 30x, a 50x on this coin. On a $3 billion asset, you guys, those are immense gains, very immense gains. So, all in all, a 10x would put us at $1. A 30x would put us above $3, and I think that we can get there. Looking at this thing on the monthly, if we take the all-time high into effect and last cycle's low into effect, we've got, nope, that's not it. We've got a minimum target of about $2.45 to kind of on the higher end of things up to about $8.46. But it could, again, you guys, it really could go even higher than that. If we take the current price into consideration, right, I was saying that I think that this is deserving of a multi-$100 billion market cap in crypto. Again, I don't know if all the cryptos that are worth multiple hundred billions of dollars, even Ethereum, I don't know if they're actually worth that. Personally, I do think that crypto is a bit overvalued in that sense to some degree, but it's a new technology. People don't know what they're getting. This literally could be the framework for the future of a bunch of different things involving finances. So who really knows? There's a lot of untapped potential, but if we were to see a 100x gain, that would take us to prices that are above $11, from the current price. And I think that is possible. Maybe that itself isn't as likely. I would think that what would be more likely would be something, around $8 to this $2 range. Personally, I really wouldn't expect that we do break above this 1618, but anything can happen. Either way, I think we go down from here. Probably below 10 cents is what I would assume. And then from there we can talk about bullish stuff. But I don't think there's going to be too much craziness going on for the rest of the year. As sad as that is, we're in October. It is toward the end of the year, so don't be too sad. But it's probably not going to be too exciting. I know it was exciting here on the XRP news, but probably going to accumulate for a little bit longer. Probably going to move lower. And that's really all I have to say. So if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.